What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades, and you see that out there? That's the mailbox on the other side of the street. And in that mailbox is a brand new knife, and we're going to go get it right meow. So, we got some snow last night here in East Tennessee. I got a good, I would say, a good honest 2 or 3 inches. And it was up in the upper 60s, around 70 degrees all week last week. So there wasn't any chance in hell of this snow laying on the road. As you can see here, it's not laying on the road. So we're going to go to the mailbox. We're going to get the package out. And we don't want to get run over, so we look both ways. Going back up here, it's a Baz on Blades homestead here with the snow. And I don't know about the snow this year. 350Z is not feeling the snow this year. Faux show, no more than it felt it last year. And I just paid that damn car off. I'm not going to run out and buy another car. So we're going to do at least a couple of more years fearing the snow. And all right, so let's go in here. Let's get to the review table. Get our camera strapped in here in the mount. Then we're going to open up this knife, and let me do this off camera so I don't have to have my address out, because we're coming straight in from the mailbox. And I just opened that package with the new Civivi Cogent. I recorded the review, in-depth review of the Civivi Cogent. My damn board just fell over. Anyway, of this Civivi Cogent earlier today, and I'll put it up in a couple of days. I've been carrying this to work. I'm pretty doggone pleased with it so far. Let's see here. Okay, this knife that we are unboxing right now off camera so you can't see my address is another Civivi. This will be the third Civivi I will have in queue for review here at Baz on Blades right now. We got that purple Cogent. I also got in the Tamashi or whatever Terzula designed fixed blade. I'm pretty doggone happy with that also. Review of that coming up. And this is number 3 for the Trinity. And what do we have here? This is the Synergy 3. I have been waiting all of a year for this knife. Ever since it was debuted, I think at the SHOT Show, or I can't remember what show they debuted it at. We've been waiting all year for this. I was able to grab the version that I really wanted, the one I've been hoping for all year. I got it from, as always, White Mountain Knives. Check out whitemountainKnives.com. I don't have any business affiliation with them, except I just like shopping there. We get that 10% discount. Yeah, 10% discount. And Justin over there is always very quick to take care of any issues. Let's get this knife open and take a look at it. Quit our jibber jabbering here, as always, in the white with black print Civivi packaging. We've got our pouch on the inside. It's going to have all the blah 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 and yada 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 and this, that, and other thing in it. And it's going to have our knife. Again, what we've got here is the Civivi Synergy 3, which is a quote-unquote a budget model of the WE Knives Synergy. And this version of it is a Damascus trailing point. And of course, the Damascus models are in the G10 carbon fiber laminate that is radially machined to reveal the grain of the laminate. And then that scale has a pivot-centric radial pattern that is machined into it. Let's move some line across so you can get a good idea how deep that is. And again, the scale itself is machined to a curve, a radial curve. What I see right now is we have an overall subdued visual to it. Everything is blacked out, including the Civivi pivot cover. Again, let's pull the Cogent out. It's got all black hardware, but it does still have the pop of silver on that pivot cover there. So this is sort of a totally murdered out look on the outside. It looks like we have gone to a smaller pocket clip. That is a smaller deep carry pocket clip within the same design language. Very much like that. Let's see, it's still got a very high tip to it. I'm not liking that too much, but we'll have to see how it feels in the hand. Looks to be recessed there, flat screws on it. This is a flipper folder. It looks like to me fit and finish is pretty much perfect. And centering here, pretty much perfect. Again, this is a Damascus model. Let's get this thing open. Oh, damn! Damn! If that blade is not loose, no play in that blade, that freaking rocketed open. Oh my God, that felt so good. Oh, that feels so good. So good. That's explosive. That is awesome flipping. Not a big flipper tab. Falling within the overall look here. Let's look again at this trailing point blade. Again, I'm going to carry this for a little while and then we'll do an in-depth. But I just had to. Son of a bitch, that blade looks so good. It looks so good. Holy smokes. That looks so good. Let's get up close and look at this handle material. It feels in the hand. What an ergonomic shape to this knife. What an ergonomic shape to this knife. Now, I'm going to say we're starting to push, really push on the price within the Civivi lineup. This knife was $131. I think after the 10% discount at White Mountain Knives, it was like $117 shipped. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to be hard pressed to consider this a budget brand if we start doing things $130. Oh man, almost a year waiting on this, and it is everything that I wanted it to be. It is everything I wanted it to be. Oh my goodness. Maker's mark on it. I've got to look into who designed this. It's somebody, and I don't know who it is. I don't know who everybody is. Attractive maker's mark. Nothing on the front. Look at that blade. Look at the way the light. They did this dark hand finish over the Damascus so good. That is really well done. I hope that's very consistent because it is very well done. That is a beautiful, beautiful. I don't know what that pattern is. If that's some sort of twist, it gives me an idea of a twist. It looks so good. And then we'll take another look at this handle. The milled in texturing is, I thought that it would be sort of goofy, but it's not at all. And now these studio lights that I have in here, they do not make things pop like carbon fiber. It's just the quality of the light. But I bet out in the sunlight, there's a whole bunch of carbon fiber here. The only G10 you're really seeing is this ring right here and the ring here. As this is radially machined, it reveals through the layers as it machines through on that radius. Its character is nicely matched on both sides as far as the way the layering is. Yeah. I don't know what that backspacer material is. It feels like it's very hard. It actually could be the same material. It very well could be the same material. It does not feel like normal G10. It's got that harder sort of carbon fiber feel to it, but I can't tell. I'll take a look at it. Man, this thing is beautiful. Okay, so we don't want to do a full review here. I want to carry this thing. Oh, man. Okay, it sounds a little dry. Yeah, it sounds like the detent ball is dry. So as good as this thing is now, I'll put a drop of oil on the detent ball and see how it is. Because you can tell when I take pressure off of that lock bar, take the detent off of the blade, pushing over with the lock bar, it free falls. Damn it. All right, there we go, guys. Let's cut her off right now. Damn it. I'm so happy with this. This is as happy as I've been with a knife this past year, initial impression wise. Thank God. That is awesome. Awesome work to everybody at Civivi. Awesome work. So, be looking for an in-depth for this knife, the Synergy 3 from Civivi. I'll carry it for a week or so, and then we'll come back and do in-depth video review on it. As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.